Looking for cafe-quality coffee at home? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Nespresso Vertuo Creatista coffee machine. With one-touch brewing, smart barcode technology, and rich crema, it makes delicious espresso and coffee in seconds. Let's check it out. What's in the box? Inside the box, you find the Nespresso Vertuo Creatista, water tank, drip tray and cup support, milk carafe, Nespresso capsules box, manuals and documentation. Product features. Prepare cafe-style cappuccinos, latte macchiatos, and creamy milk-based drinks with a single touch. The removable milk container is easy to refill, simple to clean, and can be stored in the refrigerator between uses for added convenience. Brew a wide range of coffee sizes, including espresso, double espresso, grand lungo, mug, XL, and carafe. The machine automatically selects the correct brewing parameters for each capsule to deliver consistent taste in the ideal cup every time. Automatically heats and textures milk, using the integrated steam wand for smooth microfoam. Adjustable temperature and froth settings help create cafe-style drinks like cappuccino, latte, and flat white. The machine reaches the ideal brewing temperature in about 30 seconds, allowing you to enjoy coffee without a long wait. Built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity support automatic software updates, helping maintain optimal performance and compatibility over time. Technical specifications. Product overview. Machine overview. How to use. Fill the water tank with fresh drinking water and securely reattach it. If you're preparing a milk-based beverage, fill the milk container with cold milk and connect it to the machine. Turn on the machine and wait approximately 30 seconds until it reaches the ideal brewing temperature and the indicator light shows it is ready. Open the machine head, insert a compatible Nespresso Vertuo capsule, and close the head securely. Place a suitable cup under the coffee outlet, then press the desired coffee or milk recipe button. The machine automatically reads the capsule barcode and adjusts the water volume. brewing time, and extraction settings to deliver the perfect cup with a rich crema. After brewing, open the machine head to automatically eject the used capsule into the built-in container. If you prepared a milk-based drink, run the automatic milk cleaning cycle and rinse the milk container before storing it in the refrigerator. Empty the used capsule container and drip tray regularly and allow the machine to switch off automatically when not in use. How to pair? Download and install the Nespresso app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Turn on Bluetooth and connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network, then sign in or create an Nespresso account. Turn on the Nespresso Vertuo Creatista and open the Nespresso app. Tap Add a Machine and follow the on-screen instructions to put the coffee machine into pairing mode. Select the Vertuo Creatista from the list of available devices and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is complete, the app will confirm successful pairing, allowing you to access smart features such as custom cup sizing, temperature adjustment, and maintenance alerts. Maintenance. Regular cleaning helps maintain performance and ensures consistent results over time. Wipe the steam wand with a soft, damp cloth after each use, wash the milk jug, and remove, empty, and rinse the drip tray, cup support, capsule container, and water tank. Dry all parts completely and reassemble before use. Fill the water tank, eject the capsule, and start the cleaning cycle by pressing the coffee button 3 times. Place a 1-liter container under the coffee outlet before starting the cycle. After cleaning, wash the drip tray and capsule container with mild detergent. Dry and reassemble all removable parts before use. Before descaling, clean the steam wand and empty the drip tray and capsule container. When the descale alert blinks, fill the water tank with fresh water and Nespresso descaling solution. Place a 2-liter container under the outlets. Enter descale mode by holding the steam and milk temperature buttons for 5 seconds and start the cycle. After descaling, rinse the tank, refill it with fresh water, and run the rinse cycle to complete the process. Safety tips. Use indoors only. Avoid hot surfaces. Use the correct voltage. Handle hot liquids carefully. Unplug before cleaning. Use compatible capsules only. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.